Porcelain versus granite sink. Which is better for your home? Dear friends, choosing the right sink can elevate both the look and functionality of your kitchen or bathroom. Two popular options homeowners often compare are porcelain sinks and granite sinks. Each has its own strengths, depending on your lifestyle and design preferences. Porcelain sinks are loved for their classic and elegant appearance. Their smooth, glossy finish adds a clean and timeless charm to traditional and modern homes alike. Porcelain is also easy to clean and resistant to stains when maintained properly. However, it can be prone to chipping or cracking if heavy utensils are dropped. Granite sinks, usually made from granite composite, are known for their exceptional durability. They resist scratches, heat, and impact much better than porcelain. Granite sinks also come in a variety of contemporary colors like black, gray, and brown, making them ideal for modern kitchens. On the downside, they can be more expensive and slightly harder to clean if not sealed well. When it comes to noise, granite sinks perform better by absorbing sound, while porcelain sinks may feel louder during use. Installation and cabinet support also matter, as granite sinks are heavier. In conclusion, if you prefer a timeless look and easy maintenance, porcelain is a great choice. If durability and a modern aesthetic are your priority, granite sinks are the better option. The right choice depends on your budget, usage, and design style. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.